back.
They didn't meet the reserves?
No. And so then say the bid goes on. The bid went to the Skyline.
Yeah, we're gonna make it over there. Golly, I wonder how much they're asking for that Skyline then. Is that V-Spec? Oh, Dodge still.
$100,000 and they didn't take it.
I don't know, man. It's a top secret. Dude, this thing's chocked full of rare parts.
Yeah. It says Nagata achieved notoriety in JDM when he shipped 1,003 horsepower in Japan, registered, attempted to reach 0 miles per hour. Yeah, this car might be nasty as shit.
Original interior GTR seats, but it's caged.
Stroke 2.8.
Fucking floor mats are grand.
Oh yeah, top. Oh yeah, okay.
It's top secret everything.
Yeah. Still smells like Japan.
Mm-hmm.
They bought this and brought it right to the auction. I bet they paid more than 100 for it.
Pop that hood.
Am I crazy?
You ready to pull it?
Yeah. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, yeah.
You gotta stop looking at this. You're gonna go get your R33 back tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, dude.
And that's what makes it $100,000
Exactly.
Skyline.
Right. Look at HK's fuel rails. This is the top secret.
Top secret full kit. Lip.
Holy shit.
2.8.
Let's start it just to see what it sounds like. I bet it is freaking crazy. Two big twins or what?
Tell what's on there though.
Yeah.
Something pretty.
I bet he wants 150.
I wonder what exhaust it's got on it.